Mother's knees rise where the shadows crawl. Moss hangs low like a ghostly shawl. The moon's a lantern, soft and pale, guiding my steps down a whiskey trail.
Learning guitar normally means sore fingers and weeks before anything sounds decent. Well, this thing flips that on its head. You follow the lights, hum an idea, and it becomes something you can play on the spot. It is part instrument, part AI studio, and part rhythm game. This is the TemPolor Melo-D. It is a generative AI guitar aiming to make music feel instant. It mixes a flip-up screen, light guidance on the neck, and AI composition modes. It can turn a hum into a solo, or a text prompt or chord chart into a full song with vocals. The pitch is simple. Pick up one device and go from idea to performance, all without any other kind of device. Really, the aim here is to be an all-in-one solution to make music as easy as possible. But is it any good? Now, at the current asking price, there is a lot of questions to ask of whether it's really worth it, but the best place to start is by starting to unbox it. So unboxing this guitar, and I will admit the process was very nice. Inside the box you find the guitar, a charge cable, and your very basic user manuals. At a glance you can tell what they were aiming for with this guitar. It has a unique retro look. It will not be for everyone, but they plan 3 colour options: green, orange and white. So I don't doubt there is one there for everyone. The folding display is the star move here. Closed, it keeps the top looking clean and uncluttered. Open it up and it turns into a proper control hub that feels made for quick tweaks on the fly. The body hides a sizable acoustic chamber with built-in speakers, so it throws sound forward without a separate amp. The rainbow string surface aims for a natural strum, but still lets you pick single notes cleanly, which is a clever balance once your hands settle in. I will say I do like the look of this. The fit and finish leans more towards the modern and minimalistic look. The edges are tidy, surfaces flush, and the neck light strip is properly integrated rather than an adhesive extra that I have seen on other guitars like this. This is a very premium piece of kit. Now that folding design really makes it travel friendly and helps with storage too. I really think portability matters here with something like this, and just being able to fold it up and put it in a bag, take it with you wherever you go, it's something you don't get with a traditional guitar. And that's really where you're bridging the gap. And because you have that flip screen that also acts as its central hub, there is no need for any other accessories. This thing is the whole thing you need. It certainly makes making music a lot easier and much more enjoyable. Now when it comes to setup and first use, it is pretty simple. Just power it on and follow the on-screen prompts, choose your language and region if asked, and then connect to your home Wi-Fi using the on-device keyboard. It is worth noting the companion app is still in testing internationally, so early users will access it through an iOS test flight build or a direct Android APK, so this is likely to change in the future. Treat this as an early access. However, as I said earlier, the important bit to know is though that the instrument remains usable without your phone once you set everything up. Don't get me wrong, the app is probably going to be very helpful in the future, but the fact that you can use this without anything, well, it is pretty impressive. The screen handles all the song selection, guidance and creation, so the phone app really isn't essential, and I think that is what makes it stand out from the rest when it comes to these portable electronic guitars. Now as said, that built-in screen handles everything. It shows you your chords, the timing, even lyrics and little performance cues. The LEDs along the neck mark where to land your fingers. You follow the lights and keep your head on the groove. It feels closer to a rhythm game than a real lesson, which certainly helps first timers. Visualizing the timing on the neck boosts confidence straight away. It is very easy to do. Your right hand can focus on the groove and your left hits changes cleanly. You're not staring at a phone the whole time, and I really think that is the main benefit here. The neck lights keep you focused on chord shifts and the screen cuts the guesswork for you. I really can't emphasize this enough. This just lowers the barrier to making music with little to no experience. Now obviously that is going to upset the guitar enthusiasts out there, but for those who struggle with learning instruments, this could be amazing. One of my favorite things is that hum to melody and AI composition. You can hum a phrase and melody turns it into a line you can play. If you want a full track, type a prompt or drop in some chords. It sketches the structure, adds lyrics and AI vocals. Then it maps the parts to the neck lights and the screen. This is certainly where it clicks for creators. Humming into a mapped solo kills that blank page feeling. You still set the vibe with your hands and the AI handles timing and contour. It's certainly very unique and nothing I've seen on the market at the moment. Just being able to do this with little to no experience and being able to make your own music. Well, it is something I've not seen before and it is going to be its main selling point. Now when it comes to freestyle play and those rainbow strings, the right hand surface area is where it's happy to do rakes, chops and clean single note picking. On the left you get a 7-key beginner mode and a 21 advanced setup. So you step up the difficulty when you are ready. You aren't forced to instantly learn 21 keys. Because it tracks your gestures and shows targets, you can noodle freely, then snap into guided runs when you want to tighten things up. Swapping between the two layouts feels a bit odd for a day or two, but the progress is clear. You get quick wins with the 7-key for confidence, then move to the 21 key for proper precision. It's really about slowly, gradually getting you comfortable with it. So a typical session starts in a Guitar Hero style mode. Pick a song, watch the neck light up, and you will have the chorus down in 5 to 10 minutes. I really do promise you that. It isn't hard to get used to actually playing different songs on this. If you are used to playing Guitar Hero in the past, well this is probably the closest thing you're gonna get to bridging the gap between that and a real guitar. Now that's going to upset a lot of people, especially the guitar enthusiasts, but the future is here and we need to embrace it. Your confidence will build fast with this because the screen and LEDs keep time for you. Then switch to inspirational mode, hum a hook and it maps to the neck so you can play it back as a solo. For creators, the big win is chord to song. Feed in a simple progression and it gives you a verse and a chorus. You can film a quick short using the onboard audio, then re-record clean parts once the structure feels right. Because the display fits on the body, you're just not juggling a phone while practice or performing. It feels like a loop machine, a teacher and a writing partner inside one shell. Although the app is still in its first stages, there is room for a customization like the sound that actually comes out of this and what you're actually playing. You can choose whatever you want really. There is a selection of different noises that this thing can make, and because of that, being able to make music really isn't that hard. Now, all in all, if I was going to say whether or not this was worth the money and whether you should get it, I would say it really depends on what you're looking for. It's not just for beginners, but it's for creators too who want to speed up that process. It gets you from idea to performance very quickly, and it does keep the process pretty fun. For everyone else though, the aim to make music feels instant, guided and properly fun. Being the world's first generative AI guitar, the TemPolor Melo-D is certainly something that is leading the race in the future of making music. As always, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.